Hi, I'm Michael Facius and I'm an associate professor here at Tokyo College. Today I would like to introduce one of our research themes called the Humanities in 2050. I joined the University of Tokyo in 2020, right before the beginning of the COVID pandemic. Before that I was a British Academy Newton International Fellow, a postdoctoral fellow at University College London. And before that I worked at Freie Universität in Berlin for many years. My training is originally in Japanese studies, linguistics and global history, but currently I would perhaps describe my research interests as being about the study of knowledge. So my first book was on the history of knowledge in Japan. It was on Chinese knowledge in the context of 19th century globalization. Currently I'm working on 3 different projects. The first one is about the functions of history in contemporary Japan. The second one is about software and computation as cultural and social phenomena in the present. And the third one is about collaborative practices in the humanities. That's a project that's been funded by the Japanese Society for the Promotion of Science. In recent years, humanities departments have been changing a lot. We're seeing many new ways of doing research, teaching, and public scholarship. Interdisciplinary research institutes like Tokyo College are one example for that. Other examples are new approaches like the public humanities, the digital humanities, or indigenous humanities. Social media have also played a great role and had a great impact, and many scholars and content producers with degrees in the humanities are now presenting their work on YouTube or Twitter. My project is about analyzing these practices to understand how they affect traditional humanities research and influence knowledge production. So one of the research themes we have here at Tokyo College is called the Humanities in 2050. Compared to our other themes, which are about sustainability, digitization, or the value of life, that sounds a bit more specialized. But the question that is really behind this theme is, what kind of academic knowledge do we need in the future to create a better society? The humanities are a good focal point for this question because they have been, relatively speaking, devalued in recent years. Academics around the globe speak about the crisis of the humanities, which is about funding, enrollment numbers, and the job market, but which is also about a very general and fundamental sense and critique that the humanities don't have anything valuable to offer anymore to contemporary society, compared with fields such as software engineering or the life sciences. There have been 2 common reactions to this discourse of crisis. One is to blame politics, a lack of understanding in the public, the education system and global capitalism. Another one is to try and defend the humanities as being indispensable for culture, democracy, critical thinking and so on. And all of these points contain a kernel of truth. And we can also ask if the humanities as currently practiced in universities can adapt and adjust as well. My project tries to both understand and showcase new trends and examples of good practice that can show the way forward to a more open, connected, and relevant humanities.